Yeah, you can't even see the top, dude. Look at that. It's warm. You can see where all the hills had burned down before. Like in all my videos, all you see is California where it's all burned down before. Hey, at least we're out of that fog and the cold, dude. Now it's downright warm. It is toasty. Toasties. Redwood Highway. Getting started. Hell, this is like driving at home right here. "500 feet. I'm going to slow her down a bit. I don't want to miss the... Should be on the left. All right, here we are. Sweet. Yeah, let me go do it. Let me pull in over here and do this legit. Watch out for those bumps. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, I got no idea what we're getting into here, but here we go. I don't know if we have to pay or if it's free or what. Let me get her in neutral. Hi. How much for the 2 bikes? Yeah. I'm gonna pay for the both of us. Are we allowed to like pull over and take pictures? Cool.
Those are coupons for the gift shop.
Reminds me of Big Basin before it burned down. Oh yeah, let me get you in the video with some perspective. Bigfoot's booty through the bushes right there. Chandler tree. Freaking Terminator 1. That'll work. It's got shade. And my best advice on a road trip, never trust a fart.
Never.
Ever. That cooled off like 10 degrees in a snap of the fingers. The smoke got thicker. Oh, dude, after last year, we got so hammered. This time last year, we had to work overtime, remember, because of the fire. They have the Eel River. Yeah, not too shabby. Creek. Oh, that's nice hiking. Man, we are just scoring with no traffic, even though it's smoky. This is really nice. I mean, we got the Redwoods to ride in at home, but usually there's a ton of traffic. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. Smokestacks.
Rockin' Balls Run 2021 had huge plans to ride out to Benbow, Avenue of the Giants, and then cut across over to Bernie Falls, through Lassen Volcanic National Park, and down to Belden Town and Highway 70 in the Feather River. But due to the McFarland Fire, the Monument Fire, and the Dixie Fire, which is going to burn almost 1 million acres by itself, we had to reroute our plan and head back over to the coast, where we always find a good time and great roads, like Highway 1 here from Leggitt, California, out to Fort Bragg.